today I'm going to show you guys this Crock-Pot 7-quart oval slow cooker, and I made some pulled pork with this last night and it came out really good. We cooked it for about 5 hours. So here's some cool things about this. First, we have the dial on the front, and you can see right now it's off. You can set it to low, high, warm. It just plugs into an outlet with this extension cord right here. This cord is not very long. One thing that I wish could be a little bit better, but if you have an extension cord, if you want to make it longer. We also don't really need a long cord for a crock pot. We have the glass top right here, so you can see and watch as your food cooks. The bin here, so this is where you're actually going to put the beef in, or whatever you're cooking, pork in my case. And then we have the stainless steel outside here, and this is very lightweight without this pot in it. So this right here, this you could put in the dishwasher when you're done. I personally just hand wash it, but this part is dishwasher safe, as well as this glass top as well. You can throw it in the top of the dishwasher. I just hand wash this as well. The stainless steel on the outside, we don't dishwash. In terms of while it's cooking, one thing to note is this does get really hot. So you're cooking for 5 hours on high. This stainless steel part is hot. Be very careful. The top will also get hot. You'll also see condensation start to form on the top. The handles, on the other hand, will not get hot. So that's really cool. So if you do want to move this while it's cooking, you don't want to move it very far. Be very careful with that. But you can lift up the handles and you can slowly move it, a couple feet or so if you had to. The top's got a nice handle too that easily comes on and off. On the bottom here, it does have these little like anti-slip things. So once you put it on the table, it does hold firm, which is nice. That it's not gonna slide around while it's cooking. Overall, we had a really good experience cooking our pulled pork with this. The pulled pork broke apart so nicely when we were done cooking with it, which was just, amazing. It was a great slow cook. We did the pulled pork in a little bit of root beer, which we saw online, and it worked out. It worked out great. It really was delicious. Overall, it's a really good crock pot, very good slow cooker. We had a lot of success with it. That's a review.